Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you need tracking scripts or custom features, Webflow allows you to add custom code easily. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to add this custom code in Webflow. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and look for webflow.com, tap on this link, then go and use your email address and password to actually access the website. As for now, tap basically on this designer or whatsoever, loading apps. This is the app gen. Okay, so we're gonna go back to designer, tap on cottage here, designer. We have this plus button, we have components, variable style integration, libraries, then apps. We also have this navigation. We're gonna go to basically pages or whatsoever. We have this collection list, CMS, e-commerce, media, and all of this basically advanced tools. Then you can go all the way to check this code embed. We also have this learning assist basically. You can basically give it anything and it will help you. You also have this custom element or this code block. Custom element, for example, this custom element, you can tap on it, intro text, intro content, whatsoever, multiple options here also. So now add your code to the header or footer, it depends on you. Paste the scripts into the header or before body section. Then tap on save changes. All you're gonna do after this is tap on publish the website. Okay, so the custom code only works on published sites. You should also add a page specific code. It's kinda optional, but it uses page settings for custom scripts per page. Then give the code a small test. And that's it, so thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.